Welcome to the We Never Walk Alone video series. Please avail yourselves of our other videos, including explaining the onboarding process, how to set or reset passwords, and how to download and use the mobile applications, as well as other training videos. In this video, we will be explaining We Never Walk Alone in detail. We Never Walk Alone was developed following a three-pronged approach to officer wellness, including access to peer support, mental health professionals, and external resources that all contribute to holistic officer well-being. Peer support is often the first stop for an officer who is seeking help. This is a judgment-free zone, with support coming from officers that have had similar experiences. Seeking peer support early on is proven to be highly effective in restoring the officer's well-being. Most departments do not yet have an in-house peer support group developed. Of those that do, the in-house peer support group is often underutilized for fear of the rumor mill or beauty shop mentality, or the fear of biases and being stigmatized. We Never Walk Alone aims to solve those problems by creating a network so that an officer from one department can confidentially seek help from a trained peer support officer in another department. There are many benefits of being a member of the network. There is increased anonymity, which will help curb the rumor mill. There will be optimal use of collective peer support resources. We Never Walk Alone is a force multiplier for your department. Our network of peer supporters is a supplement to your in-house group, not a replacement for it. Officers should never, ever have to think twice about using peer support. Here are some of the program highlights. Our platform is 100% confidential and anonymous. We take privacy very seriously. Unlike an EAP, we don't track usage. We don't keep track of who makes a call, who they call, or how often they call. We don't track anything. Our program is secure with individual user credentials, data encryption, and HTTPS transport, which simply means that the app and the website talk to the servers over secure channels, like when you make a payment on a well-known online retail website. Network resources are literally in the palm of the officer's hands via our mobile apps. The onboarding process is painless. Agencies are up and running within minutes. Now let's take a look at the mental health professionals portion of We Never Walk Alone. We all know that even trained peer support can only go so far. Sometimes the officer will need to be handed off to a vetted, trusted mental health professional. Officers can call directly from the app to get an appointment with the provider. The mental health professionals will work with the officer and/or their insurance companies for payment. We Never Walk Alone is not involved in billing in any way. We have no role in how the mental health professional gets paid or how the officer pays the mental health professional. We are just connecting them as part of our We Never Walk Alone network service. The only thing we do is vet them to ensure they are top-notch law enforcement experienced professionals. Here are a few of the program highlights. All of the mental health professionals are vetted by Badge of Life or Miss Vicki Poklop, the embedded police counselor with the Des Plaines Police Department and one of the visionaries for We Never Walk Alone. Badge of Life is a nationally recognized leader in law enforcement, mental health, and suicide prevention training. All of the professionals are available 24/7 and have proven experience dealing with law enforcement. They all adhere to the APA ethical principles of psychologists and code of conduct. We ensure that all licenses, malpractice insurance, and other documents are kept up to date so that you can rest assured. There's no constraint that the departments have to use the mental health professionals listed in our directory. There is no such exclusivity. They can refer their officers to anyone. We just make it convenient for them by giving all of these resources under one roof. The final prong of We Never Walk Alone is the external resources. Reference materials that do not change much will be on the app or the website. News, articles, legislative information, etc., that change often and quickly will be available on Facebook at www.facebook.com/WeNeverWalkALO4 or available on Twitter. Our handle is at WeNeverWalkALO4. In summary, our ultimate goal is to provide officers across the nation access to trained peer support, vetted mental health professionals, and external resources to enable them to stay mentally fit and continue serving their communities for years to come. You may be asking, what's next? Feel free to request a trial account to take the mobile app for a spin. Set up a 30-minute call at your convenience to discuss and learn more by clicking the link bookanaappointment.valensolutions.com. Ready to sign up? Give us a call at 773-644-1664 or email us at support@weneverwalkalone.org and we will get you up and running in minutes. Request more information at info@weneverwalkalone.org. Thank you for listening, and we're looking forward to hearing from you.